Good afternoon, guys. For today, I'm making string beans or snake beans for dinner. I saute with garlic, onion, and my style of cooking this string beans is when the beans is already tender or soft. That's the time I put the tomatoes. So I think beans is already a little bit soft, and now I put the tomatoes. Like that. Oh, it's good because the color of the tomatoes is really red. This is how I make, like, just saute string beans, and the outcome will be like this. Is it also the same how you cook your string beans? I make like Filipino style cooking string beans, because if I make like Indian style, it's not like this. Although it's the same, I have to saute in garlic, onion. It should be with ginger. And the thing is, I should put like the masala, Indian masala, like coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. That is the difference. But in Filipino style, just put salt and pepper. No need for those kind of masala. So I think it's good. Now I make like Filipino style, because I always cook Indian style. Now I want to eat Filipino style of snake beans. That's all. I hope you like it. Bye.